Kia Sportage 2026 represents a confident step forward for a brand that has consistently pushed the boundaries of design, engineering, and technological refinement. As crossovers become more advanced and consumer expectations continue to rise, this new generation of the Sportage positions itself as a vehicle crafted for modern lifestyles, combining elegance, capability, and innovation with a sense of practicality that appeals to a broad audience. On Gear Era, our mission is to guide viewers through every meaningful detail of vehicles shaping the future, and the Sportage 2026 is a perfect example of how a thoughtful evolution can reshape the definition of a compact SUV. This review explores its revised styling, its improved mechanical character, its cabin experience, and the features that elevate it beyond the norm. With a focus on quality and usability, the Sportage 2026 emerges a refined companion for daily commuting, long journeys, and weekend escapes. From the very first glance, the Sportage 2026 establishes a bold identity through its sculpted exterior and expressive proportions. The updated front fascia showcases the iconic tiger nose interpretation with a more angular structure, flanked by sharp, high-efficiency LED lighting elements that enhance visibility and present a futuristic road presence. The body integrates defined contour lines and aerodynamic shaping, which together reduce drag and give the SUV a cleaner silhouette. Subtle chrome influences, a sophisticated wheel design, and a balanced rear profile contribute to the modern aesthetic. The rear light bar stretches with confidence from MPG, creating a visual signature that is instantly recognizable. Every exterior detail reflects a commitment to elegance without compromising practicality, making the Sportage equally suited for city streets and open highways. Stepping inside the cabin, the Sportage 2026 continues to reflect Kia's evolving philosophy of user-centered design. The interior embraces a minimal, streamlined character, focusing on simplicity, comfort, and accessible technology. A wide curved display integrates both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment functions into a single seamless interface that enhances visual clarity and user interaction. The screen is responsive, intuitive, and designed to keep drivers informed without overwhelming them. Soft-touch materials, polished trim accents, and carefully stitched upholstery elevate the sense of refinement. Generous seating contours provide excellent support on long drives, while the enhanced acoustic insulation reduces external noise, allowing occupants to enjoy a quiet, relaxing atmosphere. Rear passengers benefit from improved legroom, convenient charging ports, and optimized airflow distribution, making the cabin versatile for individuals and families alike. Performance plays a central role in the identity of the Sportage 2026, and the vehicle introduces engineering enhancements that refine its driving dynamic. A choice of efficient engines, including hybrid and turbocharged options depending on market availability, offers customers the flexibility to choose performance characteristics that best match their driving style. The hybrid system increases fuel economy while delivering smooth acceleration, whereas the turbocharged variant provides energetic response for those who prefer a more spirited drive. The suspension has been tuned to balance comfort and handling, absorbing imperfections while maintaining a composed chassis behavior. Steering response is sharp and predictable, enabling the driver to feel connected to the road without excessive effort. Improved braking dynamics provide confidence during sudden stops. An upgraded rigidity within the body structure contributes to overall stability. Safety remains one of the most valued aspects for Kia, and the Sportage 2026 reaffirms this dedication through an expanded suite of intelligent driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance technologies, and advanced radar-guided functions work cohesively to provide a supportive driving experience. These systems enhance confidence, especially during long-distance travel or heavy urban traffic. The safety package is designed not only to react to potential hazards, but also to anticipate conditions, offering preventive support that creates a more reassuring environment for both drivers and passengers. Technology integration is another key highlight of the Sportage 2026. Wireless smartphone connectivity, an upgraded voice assistant, customizable driving modes, remote monitoring capabilities, and seamless over-the-air software updates bring advanced digital layer to the driving experience. The interface allows the driver to personalize various aspects of the vehicle, from climate settings to display preferences, creating a tailored environment. The audio system delivers a rich, immersive sound profile that enhances entertainment during drives. Convenience features such as hands-free tailgate access, improved cabin storage solutions, and well-positioned cup holders reflect thoughtful attention to everyday needs. Beyond its features, the versatility of the Sportage 2026 sets it apart. The cargo area is spacious and easy to configure, with foldable seats that create generous loading capacity for travel equipment, shopping, or large items. The elevated driving position grants excellent visibility, and the compact footprint makes maneuvering simple in crowded environments. The combination of practicality and elegance enables the Sportage to adapt effortlessly to the routines and adventures of modern life. The Sportage 2026 ultimately presents itself as a balanced and contemporary SUV that merges aesthetics with efficiency and technology with usability. It demonstrates how Kia continues to refine its design identity while maintaining accessibility and value. This model strengthens the brand's connection with drivers seeking reliability, sophistication, and a vehicle capable of meeting diverse demands with confidence. As we conclude this detailed exploration on Gear Era, we hope this review has provided clear insight into what makes the Kia Sportage 2026 a compelling option in today's competitive automotive landscape. If you enjoyed learning about this impressive SUV and wish to stay informed about upcoming reviews, insights, and automotive analyses, remember to subscribe at the end of the video.